It was mentioned that if son of Adam were to be given all the enjoyments of this life, everything in it, if he owns this whole universe and all the enjoyments he has access to, if he were to be enjoying all types of enjoyment in this life, then he were to be dipped in hellfire, dipped, just one dip. If he were to be asked after that, what did you see from the enjoyment of this life? He would say, I've seen nothing. So one dip will make him forget all the types of enjoyments in this life. One dip. You need to think about this. So when yourself whispers to you to commit something that is haram, forbidden, before you think about, maybe your father will know about it, maybe your mother will know about it, maybe you're going to be scandalized amongst your family members and friends. Before you talk about that, think about that dip in hellfire. Can you bear it? Can you tolerate it? One dip.